I should say that there's a place called Hellas Basin on Mars, which is a big, almost certainly an impact crater. Impact basin actually. And it's so deep that if you stand on the edge of the rim of the Hellas Basin, it's 9 kilometers down to the floor. So that means that although it's so big you couldn't see it, if you put Everest in the middle, you could look down on the summit from the edge. You couldn't actually, because the summit would be over the horizon, because it's such a big thing. It's quite a big part of the planet. But it's so deep that the atmospheric pressure is so high at the floor of the crater that liquid water can occasionally exist at the floor. So already, although Mars's atmosphere is very thin, there are places that are so low in altitude that the pressure is high enough for liquid to exist momentarily there, even now. So you can see that the atmosphere of Mars doesn't need a lot. It needs things like a greenhouse effect, carbon dioxide and things thrown into the atmosphere. But then you can imagine growing plants, and the plants would produce oxygen, and the water's there for them to do that. And so you could imagine at some point in the future that we end up with an atmosphere on Mars again.